Ovule is classified into 6 types. First one is known as Orthotrophus. Microphyll is distal end. Microphyll chalaza funicle lie on one straight vertical line. Example Pipraceae and Polygonaceae. Second type Anatrophus ovule. Ovule completely inverted. Microphyll and funicle come to lie very close to each other. Example dicot and monocot. Third type of ovule is known as Hemianatrophus ovule. Body of the ovule placed transversely, right angle to the funicle. Example Primulaceae. Fourth one Campylotropous. The body of the ovule microphylar end is curved, bean shaped. Embryo sac is slightly curved. Example Leguminaceae. Fifth type of ovule Ambitrophous. Distance between the hilum and chalaza is less. Arch shoe-shaped nucellus. Example Alismataceae. Sixth one Sursinotrophus. Funicle is very long, surrounded to the ovule. Example Cactaceae. Let's now discuss about the topic is known as megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis, example for embryo sac. The process of development of megaspore from a megaspore mother cell is called megasporogenesis. Based on the number of megaspore that developed into embryo sac, we have three basic type of development. First one is known as monosporic development. Second one is known as bisporic development. Third one is known as tetrasporic development. The megaspore are usually arranged in linear. Development of monosporic embryo sac. The first diagram is known as nucellus. The nucellus particular one cell is function as a archisporial cell. The third diagram, the archisporial cell furtherly developed into megaspore mother cell. One megaspore mother cell is meiotic division to form a 4 megaspore mother cell. Out of 4 megaspore mother cell, 3 megaspore cell is disintegrate. 1 megaspore is furtherly developed. 1 megaspore furtherly divide 2 nuclear stage. And sixth diagram, 2 nucleate stage furtherly divided into 4 nuclear stage, and 4 nuclear stage furtherly divided into 8 nuclear stage. This is a fully matured embryo sac. Okay, let's now discuss about the structure of embryo sac. This is the structure of embryo sac. The embryo sac contain 8 cells and 3 cells one end. The upper end is 3 cell is called antibodal cell, and the lower end is called 3 cell is called egg apparatus. The egg apparatus consisting of 2 cell is called synergid, 1 cell is called egg, 2 synergid cell and 1 egg cell together is called egg apparatus, and filiform apparatus is present. A special cellular thickening is called filiform apparatus of synergid, help in the absorption conduction of nutrition from the nucellus to embryo sac. It also guide the pollen tube into the egg. A mature embryo sac contains 7 cells and 8 nucleus. So this is the structure of embryo sac. Okay, let's now discuss about the interesting topic is known as pollination. Pollination is very important event to form a fruit and seed. Okay, let's now discuss about the pollination. The process of transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of a flower is known as pollination. Pollination is a characteristic features of spermatophyte. Spermatophyte means seed producing plant, and algae and bryophyte and pteridophyte, these plants are seeds are not produced. Only spermatophytic plant only seeds are produced. Spermatophyte is classified into mainly 2 types. The first one is known as gymnosperm and the second one is known as angiosperm. Pollination in gymnosperm is said to be direct, as well as pollen are deposited directly on the exposed ovule. Various in angiosperm, I mean flowering plant, is said to be indirect as the pollen are deposited and the stigma of the pistil. It is one of the important 2 mark question. Flowers are classified into mainly 2 types. The first flower is known as chasmogamous flowers. In majority of the angiosperm, the flowers open and expose its mature anther and stigma for pollination. Such a flower are called chasmogamous flowers. The phenomena is known as chasmogamy. Second type of flower, clistogamous flowers. In other plants, pollination occur without opening and exposing the sex organ like anther and stigma. Such a flower is called clistogamous flower and the phenomena is known as clistogamy. Miss Sangeeta, miss, இது ப்ராப்பராக தெரியல.